This is episode 3, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Sheets toolbar. But if you'd like to know how I actually created this spreadsheet, make sure to check out that video, which was episode 2. First, this is the actual toolbar. It is where you will access everything you need for your spreadsheet. So the first thing we are going to explore is the file drop bar. So in this file drop bar, there will be an option where you can share it. So you can share it publicly or with specific people. You can actually make a copy of this if you would like to have 2 of one spreadsheet. You can download this even as a Microsoft Excel or as any format, and you can actually go to your version history by pressing See Version History. So as I clicked on that, it gave me my version history. Right now I haven't really done anything with it, so that's the only current version. But as I go back, and if I type in something like that and press enter, if I then go back to File, Version History, See Version History, as you can see, a new version appeared. So if I would like to restore the previous version where I had a blank template, I simply press Restore this version. So now it will reload the page, and now it is blank again. Next, I am going to look at the edit drop bar. Through this, you can do undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. A lot of these things in the edit drop bar are things you can do through shortcuts. You can look at the shortcuts. It's to the right, and it's these gray little letters. Just look out. I will have a video dedicated solely to keyboard shortcuts. To do more specific things with rows and columns, you can look at this right here. And so now in View, there are a lot of things that you can do with the appearance of your spreadsheet. So you can unclick gridline if you do not want the grid lines. You can go back to View and then reselect it if you would like it. And you can zoom into your actual spreadsheet by pressing zoom and then selecting the value that you'd like, or the percentage that you'd like to zoom. So if I press 200, it zooms in twice more. Just reselect 100 to do that. After view, we have insert. So you can insert rows, and you can insert columns and cells. You can also insert images in cells, which is a new feature. This is where you can do function, but I will, in a future video, show you how to shortcut for functions, and I'll dedicate that video to functions. You can insert a link. So in format here, you can actually have a theme, and the sidebar will appear where you can explore these themes, or you can customize, and you can add different fields. So all you have to do is X out of it. And now if I go to format again, I have a lot of different options with regards to the text. So you can add bold, italics, underline, strike through. A lot of these do have a keyboard shortcut, so I will, as I mentioned before, explain that in a video. You can do things like aligning to the center or text wrapping, things like that. Things that are already on here, which I will also explore in another video. Additionally, there is the data dropbar. You can create a data filter, a slicer, pivot table. A lot of these really essential data manipulation options, which are really useful when you are doing things such as data analysis per se. You can go to the script editor, and as I mentioned before in the first video, Google Sheets uses AppScript. You can also check your spelling by going to spelling and then pressing spell check. And the last thing I'm looking at is help. So in this, if you would like specific help on Sheets, you can press that, and it will show you how to do different things on Sheets. You just click on it. I will explore this later, but it has a list of keyboard shortcuts. Now moving down to here, there are 4 main icons down here. So this is undo, redo, print, and paint format. So for undo and redo, if I just type like a number like 500, if I don't want that anymore, then I just press this, but if you want it back, you press that. So as I mentioned before, there are shortcuts where I can do Command Z and Y just to make it easier. This printing icon here is where you can print the spreadsheet. Please make sure to check out my other videos, which will come out every Wednesday and Friday. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.